Coding, decoding reasoning tricks. In the vast realm of competitive exams and aptitude tests, mastering coding, decoding reasoning tricks can give you a significant edge. These tricks involve interpreting symbols or codes to understand their meanings and relationships. The first step to efficiency in this area is to familiarize yourself with the various coding systems that may appear in tests. Possessing a keen eye for patterns will allow you to easily identify codes and decode them swiftly, elevating your performance significantly. One effective approach is to practice looking for recurring elements. Observe how certain letters or numbers may correspond to others consistently throughout a question. This involves not only understanding one single code in isolation, but also recognizing how multiple codes interrelate. For instance, if a symbol represents a certain letter, deducing its connection with other symbols can unveil a whole sentence's meaning. Flashcards displaying different codes can also be an engaging yet effective study tool to reinforce your learning. Equally important is the ability to think critically and contextualize the given codes. Sometimes the key to decoding lies in your interpretation of the given information. Picturing the scenario in your mind can help visualize the relationships that the codes may represent. This could involve sketching a tree diagram or using a grid to depict how one element translates into another. Visual aids not only enhance understanding but also increase retention of the information that you have studied, making future decoding simpler. Moreover, practicing various types of coding, decoding problems is integral to achieving proficiency. Regularly engaging in mock tests will not only hone your skills but will also help build confidence. Alongside this, time yourself while solving these problems to manage the pressure effectively during actual examinations. In addition, analyzing your mistakes can be a transformative learning experience, teaching you where your weaknesses lie and how to bolster them in the future. Finally, remember that persistence is key. With consistent practice of these tricks, you can significantly enhance your reasoning skills. As you evolve into an adept coder and decoder of complex problems, you will find your analytical abilities sharpened, boosting your overall problem-solving prowess. Embrace the journey of learning these tricks, and soon you will navigate coding, decoding reasoning challenges with ease and acumen.